Hello children, welcome back in moral science class. Take out page number 22 everyone. Today we will do importance of sound sleep. Here are some helpful tips on getting better sleep. If you are going to lose and turn all night, you will not get enough rest. Therefore, follow these simple tips to improve your efficiency. Through proper rest, sleep experts believe that most people need 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night to be fully rested. So children, if we will not take the proper sleep, means 8 hours sleep, then whole day we feel restless and we will not be able to do the work properly. So here some tips are given. So let's start reading these tips of sound sleep. Very first number here. People generally sleep better in a very dark room. Even when our eyes are closed, the brain can identify the presence of light outside. If there is light outside, the brain thinks it is daytime. As a result, our sleep becomes restless. Now see, when you sleep, you should have the dark room. Then only your mind thinks that it is a night time and your mind takes rest, so that you should take the proper sleep. Next, if we have any allergy problem, get rid of it as soon as possible. Such distractions will affect our sleep. So visit a doctor immediately to get medicine. So children, if you are facing any allergy problem, so immediately you should consult a doctor, because with allergy problem also sometimes you are not able to take sound sleep. So if you will not take sleep properly, then you will not be able to do the work properly. So you should consult a doctor. Next, writing personal diary before going to bed is a good habit. It is just a recollection of the various things happened that day. It will relax the mind in preparation for sleep. Yes, children, it is given that you should make a personal diary. Means whatever you have done the whole day, you should write in your diary, so that your mind feel relaxed that you have prepared your timetable. Means what you did in the last day and what you are going to plan for the next day, that you already planned, so your mind feel relaxed. Next, take a bath before going to bed. Hot water helps to relax the body. It will help us to improve our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. So you should take bath before going to bed, especially with the hot water, because it helps to relax the body. Avoid taking snacks at midnight. Eating in the middle of the night will disturb our sleep. The reason is we have food in the stomach to digest. As you know, we are taking 3 meals in a day because there is a scientific reason behind it. That means we can digest that much only. Means if you will eat in between the night, that you cannot digest and you cannot take your sleep well. So avoid taking snacks midnight. Avoid the habit of watching TV or playing video games till late night. It can become a mode of addiction that takes away the best time for sleep. So children, avoid watching television or playing video games before going to sleep, because you may get addicted of this and your sleep may get affected because of watching television and playing games late night. Next, go to bed at the same time every night. Choose a time when we normally feel tired, so that we do not toss and turn. Try not to break this routine on weekends when it may be tempting to stay up late. Yes, it is a very important point that you should make a timetable for your week. Means, don't you think that next is Sunday, you will get up late? So don't think this. You have to sleep at same time and get up at the same time, so that you should not break your routine. This also affect your sleep. Next, if we are getting enough sleep, we should wake up naturally without an alarm. As with our bedtime, try to maintain regular wake time even on weekends. Yes, if you are getting regular, you are getting up at the same time, then you don't need any alarm. Without alarm, you will get up naturally, because it will be your habit. So try to maintain regular wake up time even on weekends also. If we feel sleepy way before our bedtime, get off the couch and do something mildly stimulating to avoid falling asleep. If we give in to the drowsiness, we may wake up later in the night and have trouble getting back to sleep. Means, children, if you are feeling sleepy, means it's not your time for sleep, but you are feeling sleepy before your time, so you should do some work. Means, you should keep yourself busy in some of the work, so that you can take your sleep at the same time. Next, create a room that's ideal for sleeping. Often this means cool, dark and quiet. Your mattresses and pillow can contribute to better sleep too. Choose what feels most comfortable to you. If you share your bed, make sure there is enough room for two. Means, children, your room where you are going to sleep, that should be comfortable. Means, that should be cool, dark and quiet. And it depends upon your mattresses and pillow, that also should be comfortable, and then only you can take your sleep well. So children, these were some of the important tips for your sound sleep. So that's it, students. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video. By that time, take care.